Good night. My name is Yvonne Sorani Toro. I will present a tour below in the city of Paipa. It's the best way to enjoy your travel adventure tour Boyacá. The tour is designed to enjoy for 3 days and 2 nights. The first day you will take a walk around the lake will open your inspiration to enjoy three different attractions of on the lake boat ride, quenching and a beautiful history boat ride La Libertad. The second and third day, Paipa has a spectacular thermal complex where you not only receive delicious thermal bath, but also a relaxing massage with chocolate and volcanic stone. There will be a walk through the town, knowing the history of the places and the exquisite gastronomy and crafts that the locals make. The means of transport they can be the bicycle or take a taxi in the case of the having a private car. Stay and gastronomy of the region. The place to stay, the Hotel Panorama, is big and comfort. In the municipality of Paipa, Masato with almohavana and panela water with cheese and almohavana is very common, but you can find variety of dishes and drinks to your liking. The travel budget is based on what is requested by the tourists and thinking of their guest comfort during their stay. Thank you so much.